Hey guys, I was trying to today take you down a journey about how investment for expats began. So I came to Bangkok 5 years ago. I've lived in 6 different Asian cities as an expat in before that, and I've came to Bangkok and I have made every mistake possible as an expat. Housing, immigration, HR, cultural challenges. I've had the lot. I've been stuck in airports. I've been stuck in Chinese immigration. I've been overstayed visas in China. HR problem, but I know what it is to be an expat, and I know the challenge it faces, some of the joys it brings. I just wanted to express that with what was my profession as well, from the financial services, and bring it together to help people learn from my mistakes, which I spent months learning. It took me, when I first moved to Bangkok, 6 months to adapt to the whole Asian lifestyle. It's very different than what you get back in Europe. It's a vibrant place to live. It's got its challenges. It's not for everyone, and still today I'm amazed at the adaptations it takes you through the journeys. So I just want to kind of help people that are on the expat lifestyle into how to make the best out of it, what visas to look for, where's the best place to go, and also from a financial standpoint, because I like to look at statistics. I like to live what I do as well. Where's the best place to invest in offshore? Where's the best place to look for property? Where's the best place to look for work, for the paid jobs? So that's where it came about. It's trying to make things more efficient for expats, both moving into the 21st century. We are in 2020 now, so we look to do things more online, more efficient than the typical kind of wealth management company that still does everything like an old age bank, but also help expats kind of transition with the change of life that is becoming an expat. So it's a bit of the background about what we do, what we want to try and accomplish here. Hopefully, if you are an expat or are there, I know there's a lot of challenges, from tax to just renting a house to speaking the language, just getting a buy. It's an abundance of challenges. So if you are that, feel free to reach out and let me know. So thanks a lot, guys. Hope you found this useful. Bye.